Navprayas presents branch-wise clips for JOSA counseling. Through Navprayas, its members and volunteers are trying to provide you the best counseling support and guidance. We are only trying to brief you about different disciplines in college, and we are not asking you to compulsorily opt for any specific college or branch. We hold no liability or responsibility for any misinformation that creeps in while following this video. Please take your final decision at your own discretion.
As you all know that the counseling and admission session is live and all the soon to go college students are confused with what branch they should prefer as they are clueless about their branch. So we are here to help you out. Hello everyone, I am Aditya Raj, an executive member of Navprayas, and today I have Mr. Raju who with us who will be telling you guys about him branch and experience of his college life. So hello Mr. Raju can you please tell us about your college branch and where are you now?
So, hi Gokul, and congratulations for everyone who has qualified JEE Mains or JEE Advance this year. So, I am Raju Kumar here. I have graduated in CSE from IIT Dhanbad in 2018. So, currently I am working as a software engineer in a startup company in New Zealand. So, if we come to my BTech life actually. So it is like when you start with CSE, computer science, it is mainly full of coding and means logical stuff. So mainly you will get understanding of about the many of the things is like operating system, then logics and discrete mathematics and many other things. So that is that is it.
Okay, so that was like a brief about like introduction, brief introduction. And Bhaiya, can you tell us about your branch curriculum in brief, like what they have to study, what are the major subjects, this all?
Yeah, so coming to the major subjects, mainly when you are in first year, in case of IIT colleges, mainly it is starting with C++ or something related to the basics of the coding, mainly object-oriented programming and those all. So from the first year, from the beginning of the first year, you will start with the coding the steps. And as soon as you go with the in the second year, you will be able to compete with your friends, with your peers as well. So mainly in the second year, you will be learning algorithms and data structure. And this is the main subject, which is like based on only these two subjects, many people bag a good placements in the final year. So we have to like study more on data section, practice more on algorithms, and then there are some core subjects in this computer science are like operating system, then computer networks, and many other subjects are also important. Some other subjects like machine learning, artificial intelligence, those are like also taught in third year or fourth final year also. But yeah, these are like if you have interest, you can start by second year also. There is no problem. So this is the thing is like you get fundamentals from the first year only, and yeah, when you get interest, you can start any of the things from the second year or onwards.
I think this brief curriculum will help the students. Now, Bhaiya, can you tell us some pros and cons of taking computer science and engineering as as a major branch?
Yeah, so mostly like if you take computer science, it is based on like your interest. And if your interest is mostly based on logical thinking and like you are more like competitive. Means if you are more excited when you get a competitive environment, then it is a good branch actually. Like coding stuff you will study in college, and and you will get a lot of chance to participate in so many contests. So this is like, it is not like you are work studying any subjects. It is like more you are participating and you are applying your law means whatever you have studied in up to now. So from the beginning of the second year, you will be just mostly participating in contest and learning data structure and algorithms. So there it is like you will be evolving. So coming to the third year and final year, we'll be having a good command in the codings and like, and also there are some projects also you can do on yourself, as well as you can means you can participate in hackfest. So those are like mainly the things you are thinking of some ideas and you can directly implement. So these are mainly like pros and so I don't think there is any like means if you have interest, then you it is like a good match. That is.
So this was all about like pros of the computer science and engineering. Is there any cons? Like it might be possible like this is the major like most evergreen branch. So it might be possible like there is too much of competition and this all. So does it all comes in like cons?
Yeah, there is too much competition in the college campus. Like if you see for the big companies, people are getting like more competitive because in big companies only best coders are getting hired. But you get also a good environment. So if you evolve in the environment, then it is like you will have a great opportunity to go into that big company. So it is not like you will not be placed. It is like you are in the race. You will always get a chance.
So Bhaiya, can you now help us knowing the scopes of placements and higher education in this branch?
Yeah. So there are so many things like you can do. The thing is like you can always be an entrepreneur. The thing is like the coding you have learned anything because if you see in any of the IITs colleges or any of the NIT colleges, means any of the colleges, people always try to indulge in some real life implementation of the whatever they have learned. Like in our colleges, people used to run some delivery products, mainly like Sada campus delivering some cakes or something like that in the campus. So they always come up with some ideas and they can also expand that ideas. So that is like one of the thing you can always get a chance. And for coming for the higher studies, you can also do MS or you can do PhD and those all things in the same colleges, MTechs and PhD, and also do MS in uh, foreign universities. Also, the majors, if you want to take, mainly people used to choose artificial intelligence or machine learning as their major part. So that is also a evolving thing. So people come as a computer scientist and later on, like they now if you do only BTech, then you are only a software developer. If you want to pursue some major as a machine learning subject in MS, then you can be a computer scientist. So those are the things like you can take on. You can get.
So now we know the branch curriculum, pros and cons of the branch, computer science and engineering. Now, can you tell us why anyone should go for this branch?
Yeah. So the thing is like if we see for the computer science thing, and in case of digitalization, everything is coming to a digital platform. So if you think like the opportunity is very far vast. Even now, if you see like people are indulging coding, means getting into coding stuff beginning from the sixth class, seventh class directly. So it is like when you are in graduation year, it is like you must be doing a great far better than the seventh class standard students. So that is like it is like a evolving branch, a very much sort of the branch. Like so you can opt for this thing and and always there is a like chances if you opt like in case of placement you get into some bad companies and if you want to move ahead, means like you want to change to another company, so you can easily change to any other company. There is no fast and rule and anything like you want to be. So the thing is like how you perform, how you improve yourself, that is the quality you are actually. And always the thing is like everything is like coming new and new. Earlier it used to be some different language, now it is different language. And also different branches, like earlier there was no into in machine learning and this stuff. Now there is like a um, another uh, like another post for data scientist. So earlier it was not there. So now it is like a different things are coming. So it is a good thing.
Thank you, Bhaiya, for providing us insights about this branch. I hope this would help the students who are opting for computer science and engineering in different colleges this year. So thank you.